All right, good morning, guys. Welcome to a new pre-market analysis. I literally have like 10 minutes tops. So, quick top-down analysis. We didn't get into those areas, by the way, yesterday. What we did is we took previous weekly lows, which is very nice. That's really good. Created a bearish break. We're in EU, so we know that price create a high, create a low, just got back into that premium pricing, although it was super slight, which means that probably, not saying that will happen, but there's a high probability that because it was such a slight tap, um, that we actually can get and look at how we broke below, just wick, that we get up here, take that liquidity, and then get a proper move. So that we now formed a fake range from this high to this low, take that out, and then continue to the downside. However, we can't ignore that we created a new high that led to a new low. So for now, we have our new range to work with. This can go, this can go, this can go. Oops. Zoom in. And then we have a previous daily high up here. Previous daily low has been taken out. New previous daily low has been formed right there. We took out previous weekly lows, but just slightly. So for today, what we're looking at, this is our new range from this high down to this low. So I will be looking at potential longs now. I mean, we have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, bullish break there. Return to discount pricing. We're building up some liquidity here, but nonetheless, we have a high that led to a new low, and we actually broke above there again. So our area is ideally this one. It's too big, so we're going for this one. And I know this is inside the Asian range, so and I know that on the high time frame we just wick below, so there's probability that we not hold this area. But based on this most recent range, I'm looking to long from this area into these highs. Sorry, targeting the internal range liquidity, and really these are my two plays. So I'm looking for longs from there, the shorts from here, nothing in between. Yeah. Oops. So that's really it already for EU. Looking at daily candles, how they're being formed. Look how the wicks are formed to the downside. We do have some downside momentum, but look at the wicks. And although this is quite a large body, it's still wicked after taking this low to the upside, which is still indicating that, okay, price might move higher first. And looking at this liquidity there, it seems to move higher first and then give us a move to the downside. So that's what I'm anticipating on. That's what I'm anticipating. Then, sorry, I have to move to GU. Can't make it that long. So GU did react from that area. Actually, when we looked at it yesterday morning, we saw that price was here, or yesterday. Oh, sorry, Tuesday. We saw that price was there. Yeah, you said, oh, shit. No, it was somewhere else. I'm not sure. I knew that, oh, that was here. Then it came higher. And actually, they gave an entry there. So I'm gonna look at real quick is how that's being formed. So again, too far away. On the 1 minute, maybe there was a 5-minute entry, but it doesn't seem to work out either. So there was nothing there in terms of entries. Then didn't come up there, building up more liquidity. React from this area nonetheless. I was still looking at higher areas. Building up liquidity to the upside. This can go for now. We'll keep those equals there. And what it really did, and it builds that scenario, the idea I have for EU, how many percentage? 8% for my laptop dice, is that EU can come up higher, DXY can come lower, and ideally not too deep, but just take out this, go like that. And that's what I'm still waiting for. So I'm looking and expecting these DXY to move lower. And same with EU, especially GU, take these highs and then move down, because GU didn't create a new low yet, didn't create a new high yet, meaning that it first has to move here and then give us a move. Now, a thing we can't ignore on GU is that we're still bullish. We still have this bullish one going on. We took internal range liquidity. It's a more major range. We took internal range liquidity, so we're actually looking at a higher pricing. However, more major to that is this bearish range. We tapped into the deep extreme. We have that nice accumulation. We have this gap here. So now speaking from another perspective, we have this gap, and the gap needs to be filled. And we do have equals there. So downside movement on that range is also nice, but we have to keep in mind that we tapped into this discounted area. The discounted area, especially on a daily, is having some nice areas we can trade from. This is all being filled up, and then we have this area here. I might rather use imbalance there. Schematic. And then on the 4-hour, you can see that with that imbalance. Just below that, we have this demand zone. So for GU, we already took Asian lows. We didn't take Asian lows. We took previous daily lows, took previous weekly lows. So that for that one as well, we're looking at longs, and yeah, we can still look for shorts, because what I said yesterday, most recent structures we're anticipating on a impulsive move to the downside. However, we do need to get some liquidity somewhere. We don't need to, but ideally we do. So targeting highs, can target this previous weekly high and EU as well. Targeting the highs. Well, of course, without ignoring the recent structure and trying to short inside there. Sorry, guys, quick one. DXY, I already explained it as well. So let's just wait, see what happens. Um, you can watch it back and see the exact areas I pointed out. I'm not gonna repeat them. I have to go. Catch you guys later. Peace out. And